How to log out from Gmail on your iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to log out from Gmail on your iPhone, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Gmail app. Perfectly, now when I'm on my Gmail app and let's say that I want to log out from my account, then what I need to do first is to click on my profile picture in the top right corner. Perfectly. In here we need to click where it says manage account on this device. So click there. Perfectly. Then you will be taken to this page right here. As you can see, I have two accounts right now connected to my Gmail on my iPhone. So what I need to do basically to log out any of them is to just, for example, this one called test account, I can just basically uncheck this one right here, which basically means that I have now logged it out on my iPhone on this Gmail account. I can also click where it says remove from this device, which I'm going to try right now. Perfect. As you can see, you can remove your account completely from your iPhone. You can remove that account completely and log it out. You can always add that account back again if you want. So it doesn't really delete your account completely. It just removes it from your iPhone right now. So basically, once again, click on remove. And as you can see, the account is now removed from my iPhone, from my Gmail iPhone app, basically. So this is exactly how to log out from Gmail on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.